going on, everyone? Lalit here. Chase just released a new feature for their Chase Sapphire Reserve called My Chase Plan. We'll go over what it is at a high level, what I learned by talking to a representative about a fixed fee that they plan to charge regarding this monthly plan, and finally go over a real example on actually seeing how much the fees could be depending on what type of plan you choose. So with that, let's get straight into it. So looking at the screen, here it is, overview of Chase plan. And so you have a create option, you can see your activity, and you can also calculate your Chase plan. And so in general, as long as your purchases are $100 or more, you can start a plan. And it's retroactive in the case that you make your purchases and then you select which purchases you want to apply that actual plan to. Similar to the pay your back feature that Chase has as well, going on until the end of this month, September 30th. So when you say start a plan, right now I don't have any eligible purchases or transactions right now, but at a high level, I talked to the Chase representative, and what she said was it's based on your interest rate, what that fee would be, and it's basically proportional to that. So in this case, my APR is 15.99%, and instead of getting the full interest or zero interest for their particular plans, whether that's 3 months, 6 months, all the way up to 18 months, it's specific to the individual. And so I'll press calculate a plan. Over here, if I enter in $100, you can do calculate plan options. And over here, it shows up like this. You have 3 payments, 6 payments, and 9 payments. And you can do, basically this total cost is here, 1.23% for 3 months. But if you do that times 4, then you get the actual APR or APY, and then actual APR. And then you have 1.10270 for 6 months. So times 2, it's basically at a simple interest rate of 5.4%. And over here you have the 9 months for $11.60 per month for 9 payments. So if I make this 1,000, let's see what happens. So if I make it 1,000, basically it's quite similar in terms of the actual interest rate that's charged relative to whatever their plan is. But as you can see, there's a monthly fee of this much with no interest for that total amount. And so if I make this 10,000, let's see what happens. And there it goes, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months. Even if I wanted to, it looks like I cannot pay off that amount in 3 months in terms of a financing way. So I just wanted to take that, kind of the stress test to see this total sample space. So hopefully this helped. This is super new news, and so I just wanted to give this insight out there. Drop any comments below, and I'm happy to make an update video as we get to know more. But with that, thank you so much. Lalit here. You know how it is. Love you all. See you soon. Peace.